Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I wanted to bring you a meal that is very super fast, easy, delicious. You can make it in about 20 minutes. You can use it for a quick meal to have at night, and it's also great for meal planning because it doesn't take a lot of time at all. You can have meals for about 3 days, including the night that you're making it. And let me just tell you how delicious this meal is. It has garlic, it has onion, it has sea salt and tofu, which soaks up all the delicious flavor that you're cooking it with. And it has mushrooms. It also has bell pepper. The great thing about making everything in one pan is you get to soak all the flavor and nutrients into your tofu. So your tofu just has all the flavor. So if you're someone who was like, I don't know about tofu, I'm just new to the vegan lifestyle, I'm new to the vegetarian lifestyle, and I'm not sure about the whole tofu thing. If you try this meal, trust me, you will love it. You'll see how flavorful the tofu is. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, or you can go ahead and send me an email. Hope you guys like it. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.